incoming RBZ Governor John Mushayavanhu's challenges goes beyond just creating a stable currency. Mushayavanhu is expected to present the monetary policy in the coming days, and expectations are that he will proffer solutions to some of the country's challenges. So how deep are the challenges that the new central bank boss faces? We give you more.
These are the industries sustaining the economy. The entrepreneurs behind them are the reason why thousands are employed. They are the reason why the value chain keeps going. Yet they have to battle with the exchange rate, taxes, and numerous other challenges. It's a sink or swim situation.
Maybe let's engage and you become scientific in your approach, the ground problems that you are currently facing, rather than you benchmark, and you benchmark the very high target of collecting for yourselves. It's now choking you because you just have to target from there and target from there in order for you to get to your target.
What could change their plight is the access to cheaper lines of credit, more engagement with authorities, and a stable exchange rate. That way, they are able to retool and increase production to be able to pay tax without hassle. But what has hit them hard of late has been the unstable exchange rate, and everyone is looking forward to the monetary policy resolving their challenges.
As long as we are hyperinflating, as long as our exchange rate is as slippery as it has been, guess what? We will not attract international capital. So we've got to make our environment as competitive as is the destiny of that capital at the moment. Right now, we're off the radar, clearly. And that whole sanctions agenda, if you look at it, also is a black spot on Zimbabwe.
The Zimbabwe International Trade Fair is on the cards, and a number of firms will be seeking to increase their market share through the showcase. So why should the country worry of entrepreneurs' lack of capital and enabling environment?
It's entrepreneurs that see opportunities in value chains, and then for profit and for growth they come in and populate sectors, whether it's soybean, where I come from, or lithium beneficiation, or timber. This is what we do. We need entrepreneurs to be onboarded into these value chains, to bring their ideas, to attract capital into the various sectors.
Of late, foreign currency has been on high demand as store of value, while the country has also been experiencing a trade deficit. By Zimbabwe Chairman Munyaradzi Wengwere says, apart from maintaining the value chains, minimizing imports will be critical.
And it reduce our imports, particularly in the areas where we are not doing as well as we should. Areas of fertilizer, areas of cotton, how do we value aid? And also ensure that in the mining sector, which yes has grown substantially, but in terms of its local value addition, we need to increase from the current 12%, which is domesticated value addition.
The challenges have been diverse, and more of them beyond the RBZ. But in the coming days, industry will know what steps to take after the monetary policy. And the hope is that whatever measures are put in place, they create an enabling business environment and resolve some of the issues. For ZN Prime, I'm Govechkada in Harare.
Konapo, ipapo pa ZN Prime, DSTV channel 294, the place to be.